Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is for someone to actually break into your computer. And even if you have a password, even if you have a PIN, actually have a PIN on this one, and I'm going to show you that I can bypass it, and it doesn't matter whether it's a PIN or password. Now, there are things you can protect yourself or there are things that you can do to protect yourself, and stick around. I will show you exactly how to do it. It's pretty simple, but so let me just not waste your time. Let me show you really quick what people are doing. So I'm going to restart, and what they're doing is they're restarting and forcing your computer into recovery mode. So let me just show you real quick. So basically what I did is I restarted the computer, and then I hit the escape key to force this into the boot manager, which now I'm going to boot from a USB that I had put in this computer. And now this will boot from this USB. Now, as you can see, I've booted into the Windows 11 installation media, which can be created via Microsoft's own website. You can go on, create a bootable USB, and set it up on and use it on any computers. Yours may not look like this. Yours may look like this, which is, a common visual for installing Windows, or like this, where you click troubleshoot and then you click command prompt. But so let me show you how this works. So basically what they'll do is they'll get to this point and then they'll do shift F10. And we're already in the command prompt. It's that simple. And then they'll type in notepad.exe and they'll hit enter. And now we're even closer to being in. Now we just go file, save as, and it seems like it's pretty innocent, but if we go down here and change this to all files, we now can access the C drive of this computer. And in here, they will navigate to the Windows, they'll navigate to System 32, and then they'll navigate to sethc. Now, once they reach sethc, they'll click on it, and they'll just rename it to anything they feel like naming it to. I'm just going to do sethc1, and I'm going to click off of it. And now I'm going to go back up to cmd, and I'm going to rename that to sethc. We're going to hit close. I'm going to click OK. And that's pretty much it. Now that we've changed the CMD and the sethc, now we can restart the computer. And that's what they'll do to your computer. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that the computer's restarted, the bad actor will hit the shift key 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you see that we no longer get the sticky keys option. Now we're getting the command prompt. So now they're just going to type in a simple command. Net user administrator / active yes. And then they're going to hit enter. And if it says the command successfully completed, that's pretty much all it takes right there. So now we're going to go ahead and restart the computer. So now the computer's been restarted, and now we have the administrator account active and ready to go, and no password needed. So that's pretty much it. You can literally access the computer and do anything you want with any account on here because you are administrator. Now, let me show you what needs to be done to stop this. So basically, you're going to go into the Start menu, and you're going to go to Settings. Once you're here, go to accessibility, and then you're going to scroll down to the keyboard, sticky options here. This should be off, and then you're going to click on it, and then you're going to make sure you turn this to off. And that's in Windows 11. In Windows 10, you may have to turn off the Windows sticky keys for this. I'll see if I can find a more descriptive way of doing it, or I'll just add an image here. But that's pretty much it. And literally, once you do that, go ahead and restart, and then they should not be able to do the sticky keys anymore. All right, so we're here with a nice new, beautiful couple of birds. It's a little better than the other one, right? So anyways, I'm going to hit this sticky key 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And still nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still nothing. So as you can see, that works to disable that. And I would really encourage anybody to do that. And that's pretty much it. If this video helps you, I would love to have you give it a thumbs up at least. And please share with your friends. All right. Have a great, great night. Bye.